thanks for joining me. Today we're going to do a video on deep cleaning. So if you're new here to my channel, please like, subscribe, and give me the big thumbs up if you guys like it. Please share and comment and give me some ideas on how you guys have your cleaning rituals. And I have a list of products that I'm using as well. I'm going to send a picture. I'm going to have a picture of it in the video and also in the description. So you guys feel free to take a look at what I use, share ideas on what you use, any home remedies, anything like that. I love natural products, so that would be great. But right now, we're gonna clean everything from the ceiling fans, to the blinds, to the baseboards, to that little scum that's in the shower, the baseboards underneath where all the hairs and dust particles go. We're gonna get all of that out. My husband and I just got a custom home built a few months ago, and we're so excited, and this house is huge and it's a lot of work, and I find myself every day cleaning. So you have to, in order to maintain, to keep from dust and a lot of things piling up on you. So you have to tackle it every day. So I'm glad you joined me. So go ahead, get your broom, mop, spick and span, workstation, whatever you have to get your things and come on over to my house. Hi guys. Today we're gonna do some deep cleaning.